We got a light. We got a light today. Yep, this is the MCOPlus LEMT-800 RGB LED video light. And we've done a lot of little video lights on the channel here. And because my laptop is being repaired right now, I got my phone. And this comes in at like $35 American. So it's probably one of the best price little on camera, off camera, whatever you want to do, little video lights out there. And right now you can save an extra $3. That's what it says. That's what it says right here. You guys see that? Save $3, extra $3. Yeah. So let's take a look at it. Okay, so I don't think there's anything fancy to this light, right? But it's a light. I remember when I first got into doing video stuff, there was no such thing as a light like this. You'd have to carry around a big battery with you. And they cost hundreds of dollars. So the fact that you can get something like this right now for like $35 US could be really good. There's the specs. I will put links down below to Amazon so that you guys can see it. And just so you know, at time of filming, I saw this on Amazon Canada. It came in around $100. So for those of you here in Canada that are looking at this, it may actually still be a better deal to get it from Amazon.com and get it shipped. Just so you guys are aware, right? There's some social media things for MCOPlus. And yeah, there's the back if you guys can read that. I don't know if you can. Maybe you can, maybe you can't. Right? Cool. It's a box. It's a box. A box with the light. Okay, so comes with the light. That's important. It actually feels fairly small, and that's kind of good for you guys to be able to see, right? Bubble wrap. Bubble wrap is excellent. You get it's a micro USB, so not USB-C, so micro USB to USB-A, decent sized cable. You get, I like that, it gives you like a little cold shoe to 1/4 inch adapter. Sweet, so you can put it on your camera if you want. And, oh, that's nice too. It gives you like a smartphone holder, so that if you want to have this with your, like say your iPhone or whatever, you can put your smartphone in there. Yes. Then you got your adapter, which you put this on. And then you can put your light on it, and it's got tripod spots on it all over the place. All right, so if you want to give your smartphone some extra light, it comes with all that. That's excellent, actually, because really, you know, $35, right? Even a cheap one of these costs you like $10. These will cost you like $5 to $10. A USB cable, $5 to $10. So you're getting all that plus the light. And there's the light. I like that it gives you a little case though. That's nice. It's handy. The cases are always good. Decent size. It's not as heavy, I'd say, as some of the other lights that I've tried, but that's probably could be a good thing, especially if you're shooting with like an iPhone. You're probably designed, or you're probably looking for lighter. And honestly, even with a bigger camera, the more weight you add, the just more cumbersome it becomes. But you guys can see it, right? There's got some stuff on this side here. It's got a tripod mount on that side and on that side. This is probably the top. Yeah, that would be the top. This is like your mode button, it says, and some other good stuff. USB-C for, oh no, micro. I was like, that's USB-C. No, it's not. No, micro USB. All right, and this is your power, I'm guessing. You turn it on, boom. So I got 52% right now. I would think, yeah, you can adjust, I'll bring this up tighter, right? You can adjust your color temperature if you want to get that, you know, nice and blue, or drop it down so it's a little more yellowy. You can kind of see that light on the table there, right? A little more yellowy right there. Bring it this way, nice and cool, more blue. Okay, this one would be the physical brightness. Okay, so when you're in that kind of mode, you got your brightness going on there. So this would be brightness, and this would be color temperature. Then I'm guessing you just tap this. Aha! And then you got your RGB. Again, this is going to be like your brightness of your RGB, and this is going to be the actual color. So you got, I'm guessing, red. Yeah, it's just going to slide through there, I guess. Yeah, there it goes. little purple, little blue. And then you just kind of look at your number, right? And then you can kind of know what number that you want to use. Very cool. And then again, there's your brightness, how bright your light is. Anything else? Because that's just full color. And this says 7 colors. So I'm guessing it just, oh yeah, so it just has the main ones. So orange, red, yellow, green, cyan, blue, purple. And you just go up and down. Simple and good, right? And then you got your little effects. So police car, fire truck, ambulance. Okay, go this way. Oh, is there only 3? There's only 3. Oh, this is, yeah, police car, fire truck, ambulance. That seems to be it. Tap, and then back to that. And it's decently bright, you know. And I'm only have that at, what am I, 88%. But you know, you get that off there. Like you can even see on the wall, it's casting a bit of a shadow, right? So it's got enough light that it's doing that. It's got a nice fill right there. Compared, right? You can put that up as a hair light. I'm just looking at my monitors. You guys know what I'm doing, right? Right? Hair light. Bring it down here. It's kind of like the evil guy. Or we could just fire it up and be like, no, let's do the old ambulance is coming. No. Oh no. Ambulance is coming. I keep looking right at the light. Don't do that. And then hold this. $35. $35. You know what? You can get some of these other lights. They probably will be like brighter and maybe have a bigger battery. That's what makes them like larger. So they might last a little longer. I don't know what the running time is of this. But honestly, you know, if you got $100 and you buy 3 of these and place these all over the place, you know, or you have 3 so that if you're using one and it dies, and you have 2 more. So yeah, I think that's a great little deal. Great little deal. Now the only thing I wish, it's got a nice little case, but I wish the case really was, you know, big enough for all the stuff that they give you, because it's close, but you're not going to want to. I guess you could cram it all in there, I guess. Yeah, it'll do. I wish it was a little bit of a case, but again, it's $35. You can't complain too much. All right, guys, I'll put links down below if you want to pick one of these up, because if you do, from the link, it supports us, the channel, and that's highly appreciated. Yep. And that's it. Links to this fellow. Like, comment, share, subscribe, hit the little notification bell. We try to put up videos once every day to 2 days, depending on how things are going. And that's all. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Later.